Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super beautiful paper quilling slimline card. So I will show you how to create these cute quilled butterflies, how to create background with these lovely purple flower bunch, and it's looking very attractive. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I have created the template for the butterfly using 300 GSM black color cardstock. I just cut the upper wing and lower wing with the freehand drawing. You can use any shape which you want, and I will just tell you the dimensions. So this measures 7 by 5 centimeters. Now to start with wings, we have to create some shapes, and for the first shape I am taking 2 strips of yellow color and 1/4 strip of black color, and I am making pointed teardrop shape. Like this. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/2 strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of black color and making a teardrop shape. According to the size of wing I am making here shapes, so you can change it as per your shape or design. Now for the next petal I am taking 1 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of black color, and again making pointed teardrop, bended leaf. Like this. Then I am taking 1 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of black color and making one medium size teardrop shape. Then we need to create 2 small teardrops. For this I am taking half strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of black color and make a simple teardrop. Similarly I am making one more. Then I am taking half strip of white color and 1/8 strip of black color and making one tight coil. Here I am starting with the white spots for the wings. Now for next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of white and 1/8 strip of black color and again making one tight coil. We need total 4 this type of tight coils. Then I am taking 1/8 strip of white and 1/16 strip of black color and making one small tight coil. For all the shapes I am using 3 mm strips only, and we need total 5 these type of tight coils. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of black color and making one small teardrop shape for the lower part of wing. Then I am taking 1/8 strip of white color and making one tight coil. We need total 4 this type of tight coils. Then I am again taking 1/8 strip of white color and making one bended teardrop shape. We need total 2 these type of teardrops. Now to create antenna I am taking 1/8 strip of black color. Just roll it till the midpoint, add little glue and secure it. So you will get this type of shape, and we need total 2 scrolls for antennas. So all the shapes are done for one side wing. In the similar way I have already prepared other side wing shapes with the same procedure. Now For the middle part of the butterfly body, I am taking one strip of black color and making one long pointed teardrop shape. Just add glue in the center and stick it. And then I will start adding all the shapes one by one. So this is done. In the same way, you have to cover the remaining wing. So the butterfly is done and it's time to attach antennas. So just add glue in the center and tuck it like this. Adjust it equally on both the sides and a cute butterfly is ready. It's looking very pretty. You can change the color if you wish, and in the same way I have prepared one more butterfly with the same size and same measurements. So this is done. Now here I am taking the card base. So first I am taking this metallic peach cardstock which measures 9 by 20 centimeters and this maroon cardstock which measures 20 by 21 centimeters. Both the cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. So before adding the peach cardstock with the base, I am decorating it with this beautiful background die. This die is by Little Birdie, which is a brand of Itsy Bitsy. So on back side I am just adding little glue and sticking with the peach base. Here I have joined two pieces of die cut with each other to make a long strip. Just cutting the excess paper around it. And this is done. Now I am going to stick this with the maroon cardstock base. Burnish it very well using bone folder. And the beautiful card base is ready. Then here I am taking this oval shape which I cut on the pattern paper and it fits perfectly inside the card. So first I am sticking this oval exactly in the center. You can also use circle shape, but since we are adding two butterflies, so oval shape will be much better idea. If you are sticking only one butterfly, then you can take circle shape as well. And I am going to stick these butterflies in different directions, like one in the left side and one on the other side, that is right side, and adding glue only in the center body part and lifting the wings little bit so that it will look like a 3D butterfly. Now in both the corners I am going to arrange some beautiful flowers. So here I am just decorating this oval shape using pink color half cut pearls. Just add little glue and stick it like this. You can also use white pearls, but since I am using the white die cut out, that's why I am using here contrast pearl shades. These are very tiny pearls having 3 mm width only. Now it's looking more beautiful. Now to start with the quilling flower, for the first petal I am taking half strip of medium purple color and I am taking tight teardrop dome shape. And I am just joining 4 petals together to create the hydrangea flower. And for the center of the flower I am taking this Nuvo drop. These are pearl drops and adding just one drop in the center like this. You can also use half cut pearl for the center. In the same way I have created these purple flowers in different color combinations of purples. Now to start with leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one bended leaf shape. In the same way I have already prepared one more, and for the center petal I have used simple leaf shape. So on both the sides of this leaf shape I am adding bended leaf. And the cute leaf is ready. In the same way we need total 4 leaves. Now taking back my card, and roughly I am arranging total 6 flowers, and then I will stick it using glue, and also I will add the leaf. So this is done. In the same way I will decorate the other corner. And it's done. Now for the finishing touch I am just adding the sentiment happy birthday in the bottom, which completes our card. It's looking very gorgeous and very easy to make. See how beautiful and attractive this is looking. And you can write the personal message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.